Hey, happy Thursday to you. I'm here with another tech tip, and today we're going to talk a little bit about email attachments. So, I wanted to show you a couple of attachments that I have and how I can deal with organizing them. So, I'm going to go ahead and go to this one. This is a PDF attachment. And just so you know, you can totally open these from here and it'll give you a preview of it. And you can even save it to your Google Drive from here. So you can click add to my drive from here. Um, I'm going to open it up and it's going to be very similar what I'm going to do to add it to drive here. So if I click here, I also have the option to download and to add to drive from here. When you click add to drive, you get the option to organize it. So I can put it in my drive, and now I want to organize this into my professional development file because this is um, a certificate, and I'm not even seeing that folder. So let me go ahead and make a PD folder, right? And I'm going to check mark that. And I'm just going to move this certificate here. And now it's moved and saved into that folder. The other thing that you could do is you could download it. You press the download button and it's going to open it on your computer with whatever thing you have, and it's going to save it to your downloads. So however you view PDFs, probably with Adobe Reader. So I'm going to close out of that. So those are our options for things we can do with PDFs. I wanted to also show you that all things are a little bit different. So if I look at Google Docs and I click to preview, I need to find one I don't own. If I click to preview a Google Doc, I come here. This is a student's story about a Pop-Tart killer. Very funny. It's going to open it up in Google Docs, okay? And this is already saved to my drive, but I can click here and I can move it. Oh, and it already had a problem. It's just something that happened this morning. So I'm going to click Add Shortcut to Drive. I'm going to go ahead and go in my drive, and this one I'm going to save to the shared drives, okay? So I actually have added a shortcut to my computer to the shared drive. So if I go all schools and I go to the academics and I go to department teams, and this is a bit of a long path, and I go to English, I can put this in the submissions for the literary magazine. So here's the submissions. I'm going to add a shortcut. And now this is in the folder for the submissions. And I can close out of this and I have my own copy. Well, I have a copy of it. I actually no longer own that copy because I put it in the shared folder. So now I could not remove it if I wanted to because it's in that shared folder. So I'm going to go ahead and close out of this, and that is pretty much how you do attachments. Of course, you can also do pictures. So if you click on a picture, it's going to open up in much the same way. You can add it to Drive in much the same way, and you can download it in much the same way. So those things are fairly consistent, the add shortcut to Drive and moving it to where you want it in Drive. Hope you have a great day. And today I'm offering something extra special for everyone who puts a comment on this video. So I want you to like and put a comment on the video. I am going to do a fond drawing, and we'll see from the commenters who gets some extra fond points. Have a great day.